Hello, viewers. How are you? Hope all of you are doing well during this pandemic time. And I am also fine. As I promised that I will share a lot of fantastic information with all of you. And today is here to share a fantastic video with exciting information like top richest king or monarch in the world. As you know, during this pandemic time, a lot of people are actually facing job crisis, money crisis, and wealth crisis. But still, there are some people in the world they are leading a prosperous life with lot of money and wealth. So today we are going to discuss about top richest king or monarch in the world. Those have lot of money and wealth in their own pocket. So today our first king is from Thailand. But before starting our main topics, I am requesting you please subscribe my channel and click alert button to get latest video when I am uploading and get alerted. So let's start. This is the first thing, Maha Vajiralongkorn from Thailand. So far I know he have lots of wife and daughter and son, and really he also don't know how many children he have. So let's see about his wealth. He have estimated net worth $43 billion. Wow. The 67 years old royal took over the throne after his father passed in 2016. His wealth is looked after by the Crown Property Bureau. His family own over 16,210 acres of land. Wow. In Thailand with 40,000 rental contract nationwide, including 70,000 in the capital. The king also hold a lot of shares in the Siam Cement Group, one of the biggest group in Thailand, and Siam Commercial Bank is an international bank. And if all that was not enough, the Thai king also holds the possession of the Golden Jubilee Diamond, which is the largest carved and faceted diamond in the world. His extravagance, lifestyle, and abundance of wealth have not been ignored by Thai citizens. So let's have our second king. Our second king is Sultan Hasnal Bulkiah from Brunei. His estimated net worth is $28 billion. Wow. After Queen Elizabeth II, Sultan Hasnal Bulki is the world's second longest reigning monarch. He is also the Prime Minister of Brunei, which makes him the absolute monarch of the nation. His fortune reportedly comes from being involved in the oil and natural gas export business. In fact, the Sultan has been ranked among the wealthiest people in the world. He also lives in the largest residential palace in the world, which is the Istana Nurul Iman that boasts of over 17 1,778 rooms. Wow. Along with that, the Sultan is also reported to have a fleet over 600 Royal Royces. Our third king is Salman Abdulaziz bin Saudi Arabia. He is a very famous person in USA, in Europe, and he is very well known also in South Asia and Asia. So let's have a look about his wealth. Estimated net worth is $18 billion. King Salman Abdulaziz bin Saud may be third on this list, but if his familial wealth is to be considered, the Saud family of Saudi Arabia is the richest family in the world with a wealth over $1 trillion. The Saudi monarch does not hold an ornamental position like many others on this list. Rather, they are the ubiquitous source of authority and power for generations in the Royal Peninsula. Beside the fortune he and his family earn from oil and investments, this family is very private about their wealth and possession. But we all know they own some of the most expensive houses, cars, yachts, helicopters, private jets, painting, and many more. Our fourth king is Amir Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan from Abu Dhabi. His total estimated net worth is $18 billion. He is the president of the United Arab Emirates and the Amir of Abu Dhabi, but his wealth comes from being chairman of the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, which manages UAE excess oil, and its estimated worth is $500 billion. His half brother also owns Manchester City FC. Wow. It is reported that the Sheikh has a lot of property in London. However, he is majorly known for his philanthropy. Our fifth king is Amir Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum from Dubai. His estimated net worth is $14 billion. The vice president of the United Arab Emirates and the Amir Sheikh of Dubai, Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, can be credited with the launch of major enterprises like the Emirates Airlines, the Jumeirah Group, and DP World. He also overlooked major projects like turning Dubai into the futuristic village it is now, as well as the construction of the Palm Island and the Burj Khalifa. He is also a trained equestrian and recognized Arabic poet. So this is our five kings today we have discussed. So we can understand how much the wealth they have compared to around the world people. So thank you viewers. Again thank you to subscribe my channel and keep viewing my channel. Thank you so much. Bye. Good day.